If you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed by depression, I want you to know that there are some small, achievable habits that you can start incorporating into your day that can help alleviate some of these symptoms over time. Today, I'm going to walk you through 3 daily habits that can help manage depression. Plus, towards the end of the video, I have a bonus guide on a therapeutic technique called behavior activation, something that I think you find really helpful. So let's dive in. Hey there, if you're new here, my name is Daniela Moore and I'm a licensed professional counselor. Depression isn't just feeling sad or having a bad day. It's much deeper than that. It's a persistent feeling of emptiness, like a weight you can't shake off, even when everything around you seems fine. You might find yourself losing interest in the things you used to love, feeling exhausted for no reason, or just wanting to withdraw from everyone and everything. It's like being stuck in a fog where even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming. Many people experience these feelings, but they don't even realize that they're dealing with depression. It can make you feel isolated, like no one understands. The good news is, while depression can feel overwhelming, there are simple things you can do each day to help manage it and even start the road to recovery. Let me share with you 3 daily habits that you can start incorporating into your routine and start feeling better. Depression can sometimes make even simple tasks like showering, getting dressed, or getting out of bed feel impossible. So habit number 1 is start your day with a simple morning routine. Having a simple, consistent morning routine can help you start the day with more structure. This doesn't need to be anything complicated. As a matter of fact, setting small, realistic goals for yourself each day is crucial, as it can help you stay focused and feel that you have more control. Maybe it's as simple as making your bed, brushing your teeth, and having a glass of water. The key is to break tasks into smaller, manageable steps and recognize your progress no matter how minor it may seem. It's all about creating a sense of achievement from the start. When you begin your day with small victories, it can set the tone of a more positive and productive day ahead of you. Don't underestimate the impact of those little steps forward. What's one small thing you can commit to doing each morning? Next, let's talk about movement. Habit number 2, go for a short walk every day. I know, depression can make any small task feel like climbing a mountain, but physical activity can be a powerful tool for boosting your mood. Try going for a short walk each day, even if it's just around the block. It doesn't have to be a full workout. Just 10 to 15 minutes of walking can increase endorphins and get you out of your head for a bit. Plus, being in nature has shown to improve mental well-being. If 10 or 15 minutes of a walk every day feels quite impossible for you right now, start with 5 minutes and gradually increase that time. How does it feel after getting a little fresh air? Even a few minutes outside can make a difference. Habit number 3, make time for a simple self-care activity. This doesn't have to be an elaborate spa day. Think of small acts of kindness towards yourself. Maybe it's a relaxing bath, reading a book, or even just taking 5 minutes to enjoy a cup of tea. Self-care isn't a luxury. It's a necessity when it comes to managing depression, so prioritize it. Now, while these daily habits are incredibly helpful in managing symptoms, it's important to remember that these are just a part of the bigger picture. If you are struggling with depression, seeking professional help is crucial. Therapy, counseling, or medication can offer the personalized support you need to truly heal and move forward. Depression is complex, and it's okay to need guidance from a trained professional to help you through it. If you're feeling unsure about seeking therapy or have some anxiety around the process, I get it. It can be nerve-wracking. That's why I created an entire playlist to help ease any worries you might have, break down the stigma, and walk you through what to expect. You can check it out in the description below, and I promise you, it will help ease that anxiety and give you more comfort and confidence about seeking the help you deserve. There's no shame in asking for help. You don't have to face depression alone, and taking that first step towards professional support can make all the difference. Now, here's the bonus guide I mentioned in the beginning of this video. Let's dive into something called behavioral activation. This is a powerful therapeutic technique that can help break the cycle of depression by encouraging you to engage in activities that align with your values and bring a sense of accomplishment even when you don't feel like doing anything at all. Depression often makes us pull away from the things we once enjoyed, whether it's hobbies, social connections, or even simple self-care. Unfortunately, this withdrawal only deepens feelings of isolation and hopelessness. And that's where behavior activation comes in. It helps you take action first, and then feelings of joy and motivation can gradually follow. Let's break it down with a simple example. Step number 1, identify an activity you used to enjoy. Whether it is something creative like painting, relaxing like gardening, or practical like cooking a meal. Pick something that resonates with you. Step 2, break it down into smaller steps. For example, if you choose cooking, the first step might be choosing a recipe. Step 2, gathering the ingredients. Step 3, prepping the food, and so on. Smaller steps make the task feel more achievable. Number 3, schedule it in. Choose a day and a time to commit to doing it. This structure gives you accountability, and making it part of your routine helps break the cycle of avoidance. Number 4, do the activity, even if it feels hard. The magic of behavior activation is that you don't have to wait for motivation to strike. Take action first. Even if you're not excited about it at the beginning, the goal here is to commit to the action and re-engage in activities that align with your values and give you a sense of achievement. And step 5, reflect on how you feel afterward. Did the activity lift your mood even slightly? How did it feel to re-engage with something that you once enjoyed? These small wins can help you reintroduce positive experiences and start breaking the cycle of avoidance and depression. The key here is understanding that motivation often follows action and not the other way around. You might not feel like doing anything at first, but once you start, you'll likely feel a shift, even if it's just a small one. And over time, these small steps can build momentum towards feeling better and more connected with your life again. Have you tried this before? Let me know. One last thing, it's completely understandable that you're feeling tired, sad, irritable. Maybe you're lacking motivation, energy, or have lost of interest in things you used to enjoy. That's what depression does. It affects your mood, energy, and overall well-being. Think of it like having a cold or the flu. When you're sick, you expect symptoms like chills, fever, or a runny nose. It's the same with depression. These symptoms are part of what it is. We need to approach mental health in the same way we do physical health. You wouldn't expect yourself to be at your best when you're battling the flu. So don't be hard on yourself when you're fighting depression. This isn't something you choose. It can happen to anyone. Just like you take care of yourself when you have a cold, there are steps you can take to address the symptoms of depression that are important for your recovery. I hope these daily habits can give you some practical tools to help you manage depression. Healing is a process, and small steps can lead to big changes over time. Which of these daily habits are you going to start incorporating today? Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for more support, check out my channel for other videos on mental health and self-care. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.